Here we have a problem on lines. Okay, let's go with the question. There is a line segment given over here, and there is an information on the segment PS above. PR equals to 12, QS equals to 16, and QR equals to 1/3 of PS. What is the length of PS? Okay, so our aim is to find the length of the line segment PS according to the question. Okay, so it is given that the length of this PR is 12 and the length of this QS is 16. But the length of QR is not given. Okay, I assume the length of QR as X. Already we know that the length of PR is 12. If the PR is 12 and if the length of QR is X, then what is the length of this PQ? It's very simple. We have to subtract this X from this 12 to get the length of this PQ. So PQ is 12 negative X. Okay, already we know the length of QS, that is 16. It's given over here. Q is equal to 16. And the length of QR is X. Then what is the length of RS? To get the length of RS, we have to subtract this length, that is X, from the length of QS, that is 16. When I subtract this X from 16, I'll be getting the length of RS, that is 16 negative X. Okay, now I have the length of PQ, that is 12 negative X, QR is just X, and RS is 16 minus X. Our aim is to get the length of PS. So PS equals to PQ positive, QR positive, then RS. Okay, now let's plug in the value of PQ. So the value of PQ is 12 negative X. We can plug in 12 negative X for PQ, and for QR we have X, and for RS we have 16 negative X. So here this positive X negative X can be cancelled and we get PS equals to, when I combine this 12 and positive 16, it will become 28, and we have negative X over here. So almost I got the length of PS, but still it is not complete because there is a variable X over here. So once I get the value of X, I can plug in the value for X over here, and it has to be subtracted from 28 to get the length of PS. Okay, using the other information in the question, we can solve for the variable X. Okay, here there is an equation, that is QR equals to what? 1/3 of PS. Okay, let me take this equation. That is QR equals to 1/3 of PS. Okay, what do we know for QR? So I have assumed X as the length of QR, so we can plug in X for this QR. 1/3. And what do we know for the length of PS? Just now we got that PS equals to 28 negative X. So we can plug in this 28 negative X for PS over here. Okay, so now to solve for X first, I have to get rid of the denominator 3 over here. For that, I have to multiply both sides of this equation by 3 to get rid of the denominator 3 over here. So the 3 here and here will cancel out. On the left side, I get 3x equals to 1 times 28 negative X, it will be 28 negative X. Okay, so let me write the equation over here. 3x equals to 28 negative X. Okay, now I add X to both sides. So negative X, positive X will cancel out. I get 4x equals to 28. I divide both sides by 4 to solve for X. This 4 will cancel out. I get X equals to 4 goes into 4 1 times, 4 goes into 28 7 times. I get X equals to 7. Okay, now I can plug in X equals to 7 over here to get the length of PS. So that is 28 negative, for X we can plug in 7. So 28 negative 7 equals to 21. So the length of PS is 21 units. The correct answer choice for this question is option C.